Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to find the value of x in this kind of a scenario. Please understand, lot of people don't realize that whenever you have a to find the value of any log and there is no base given, that means the base is supposed to be 10. Okay, in case of no base given, it is by default taken that the base is 10. It's as good as writing 6. That is nothing but what, 6 raised to 1. You don't need to write 6 raised to 1 every time. Okay, so here whenever there is a different base apart from 10, only then there is a situation of another base happening, and that is why that value has to be written. Okay, now there is another rule in logarithm which says if we have log of a to the base b is equal to c. So here you get this, and is one of my favorite laws, okay, which says that you can completely get rid of this log and say a equals to b raised to c. So let's apply this. We have 16 is equals to x raised to 2. Now in order to find the value of x, we will take square roots on both sides. Now please understand, normally whenever you take a square root of a variable, okay, which is equal to a constant, normally you always put a plus minus sign ahead of that constant. Okay, sorry, ahead of the root of that constant. Okay, but here we will not do that because there is another rule in log which says that b and a, these values will always be greater than 0. So here the value of x will nothing be what, just root of positive 16, that is nothing but positive 4. Okay, I hope this is very clear to everyone. Now let's quickly put this over here. So log of 16 can be written as what, 4 square to the base 4. Now log of a raised to m can be written as what, m log a. So this can be written as what, 2 log 4 to the base 4. And log of any number to the base of same number can be always is nothing but 1. So we have 2 into 1 which gets you 2, which is your RHS. So we can say that the value of x is equals to 4 is absolutely correct for this particular question. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.